And so today we are here to create an account on WES, which is World Education Services. And what is World Education Service? It is basically an institution to evaluate your grades and will create a CGPA which is equivalent to US or Canada institutions, and it is mostly required by universities which did evaluation so that they can compare the CGPA in US institutions terms. So first we'll go to the account and we'll create one account. We need it for both US and Canada. We'll go through it one by one. First you'll need to provide your email address, and then you will here need to put a verification code which you will receive on your email ID. And once you put your verification code, your account will be created. So I just did that. Now your account will be created, and then it will ask you for your what are you studying, what is your first name, last name. We'll go through the questions one by one. I'll be solving all the doubts that you have, because I have faced the same doubts and it took me a lot of research and a lot of confusion that I had to go through, because I had no idea and I didn't find any video on YouTube. So I had to dig really deep to find out the questions, to find out the answers to my questions, to my queries, which I eventually did, and my WES evaluation was done in a single go. I didn't need to redo a thing. So let's get the verification code right first. So it is this, and I'm not sure why it is not verifying it. Guys, help me out here. Do it again. Now I got another verification code which I'll put. So my email address is successfully verified. So here it will ask you for your first name, last name, family name, basically all your personal details. So here please don't mess it up. Here you will have to put your name as it is on your passport. If your passport has your first / given name, in our passport it is written given name or first name, put it as it is. Your second name, middle name, put it as it is. Your last name, first name, put it as it is. If you do not have a last name, click on this box, put your date of birth as it is. Do not mess it up. It is very important information and you cannot change it once your WES evaluation is done, and it will give you a lot of problems if you do a WES evaluation with some wrong credentials. You can keep your password whatever you want, just satisfy those requirements, and then security question is asked. I'll go with blue, and it depends totally on you if you would like to subscribe to the newsletter. Once you are done with this, now it will ask then it will ask you your education. How did you hear about WES? Obviously it is for university admission materials. If you have another reason for creating a WES account, you can select another option. I mean, if you have heard it from somewhere else, usually it is because of university admission materials. You select your gender, you put your mobile number, and yes, you are done. You can go to next. Now you can select the purpose of this evaluation, which would be education. In most of the cases, if there is another reason, you will click that. Now you have to select the level of education you are pursuing. That would be graduate. Now you need to add credential, that is your degree, where you did your degree from, bachelor's from. I did my diploma for 3 years and then I got direct second year admission into my bachelor's. So I need to put my diploma as well as my bachelor's. Rest you don't need to put your 10 to 12. You can directly put your 4 years bachelor's degree, because that is the one which is used by WES to evaluate your CGPA. Then you can use state board. I did my state board of technical education. I did mine from Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education. So I'll be choosing that. My diploma name certificate was diploma in computer technology. So I'll be selecting that. So here it says first or given name exactly as it appears on your credentials. So I know this is the doubt, this is the query which I struggled with the most, because as you guys know, as I know, the diploma certificate and a degree certificate, bachelor certificate have different name formats. It has last name, then my name, then my father's name, and in degree certificate, that is, if anyone who is watching is from Mumbai University, they can relate very well. The Mumbai University degree certificate, in that our name format is last name, first name, father's name, and then mother's name. So I was very confused which what needs to be put in first name, and I didn't want to mess it up because I had very less time and I wanted to apply to my university, so I had to finish with this evaluation on time. So in first name and last name, I know the answer. You need to put whatever your first name and last name it is as per your passport, no matter what it appears on your diploma certificate or degree certificate. It doesn't matter. You need to put whatever it is on your passport. So I am doing exactly that. You need to select when it was awarded. I am selecting 2016. I did it from 2013 to 2016, and then I click save, and then I'll add another credential which where I did my bachelor's degree from. Again, it was from India, and type of education was university education. I did my bachelor's degree program and it was University of Mumbai. Name of certificate was Bachelor of Engineering, and I did it in the field of computer engineering. So I'll be putting that. And again, first name and last name doesn't matter, whatever it is on your degree certificate, you need to put it as per your passport. They'll figure it out. Whatever is your dad name, mother's name, they leave it on them. They have been doing it for years. They know it, that our degree certificate and our diploma certificate have different name formats than our passport. So I was awarded in 2019. I did it from 2016 to 2019. You just need to fill it on your own. It's very subjective. Then I'll click it next. You can put your address and you can select the delivery which you want. I selected a standard delivery. You can select international delivery, whichever you want, whichever is convenient. I had selected standard delivery and it was delivered to me. The WES reports were delivered to me after a month or two. It takes a lot of time, but not to the university. Once your WES evaluation is done, the university will receive the electronic reports by WES within 10 to 20 days maximum. So here you will put the institution or wherever you want to select the wherever you want to send your WES report. So as everyone knows, this is a very famous university which requires WES evaluation. So you can select this, and then I'll send it to GAPE, because if you will check SJSU requirement page, it says that the report needs to be sent to this, and it's an electronic delivery, so it is done very fast. And the delivery method is 10 delivery, $10 standard delivery. You can change it whenever you want. And I'll go to next. First it requires you to provide your address. You can put it whatever you want. I mean, do put your correct information. Select standard delivery, select save. Once it is done, you can go to next. Now you can select what type of evaluation it wants. It's totally individualistic. It is subjective. See on your university requirement page. See what kind of evaluation do they want. Is it course by course? Is it document by document? And if it's document by document or it's course by course, then do they want ICAP or do they want WES Basic? Uh, See whatever it is, depending on the university requirement, you can select it and you can proceed. San Jose State University accepts both document by document and course by course evaluation. So please carefully check and then proceed. So here we are on the education page. This is basically the checklist, guys. So WES is very informative. It guides you on every step. So whatever education, whatever institution you pick here, it guides you the steps, what steps needs to be done. So for MSBT, I would be speaking for MSBT. First, Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education, where I did my diploma. So WES requires official transcripts sent from WES, not us. I'm repeating, from WES directly. From MSBT. Sorry. So WES requires physical transcript, officially sealed transcript from that institution. In my case, which was MSBT, from MSBT directly to WES. They don't want student in between to be sending the transcripts to them. If student sends the transcript, then they directly reject your process. Then you will have to do it all over again. So please keep it in mind, the transcript needs to be couriered from that institution to WES directly. So I have a workaround for this. What you can do is, if your institution or your college doesn't send transcript to WES, what you can do is, if you can go to the same courier as the institution's pin code. Suppose my MSBD was in Bandra, so I went to the same courier office in Bandra which had the same pin code. I repeat, which has the same pin code as the pin code of MSBT. They both had the same pin code. I went to the courier office that had the same pin code as MSBT, and then I couriered from there. So what happens is, WES assumes that the envelope, the transcript has been sent from the institution only, as it has the same pin code. So if your institution or your college doesn't send, just go to the courier which has the same pin code as your college or institution, and just send it from there. They will accept it blindly. And second thing, if you are from University of Mumbai, the entire process is offline. They have also defined the steps over here, and you can see they have also guided to go through this page. This page is mu.etranscript.in. They have this page. The University of Mumbai has made it all online now. You don't need to go to the Kalina office and do the process offline. Literally everything is offline, and the MU process is very smooth and very simple. You just need to upload your transcript and degree certificate, and they will evaluate it if it's correct, and if it's correct, then they will process it and they will send the report to WES online only. The charges are very minimal. I don't remember, but it was something 500 to 1000 rupees. And after your process is done, or before, you can select that you need to send these reports to WES. So once your evaluation is done, they'll send it to WES automatically. So for MSBT, MSBT also have started issuing transcripts online, so you can check the process once. If you don't know the process, I can guide you. Just put a comment in the comment section. So for MSBT also, they have started making the process online. University of Mumbai, the process is, everything is online only. You just need to upload a transcript and degree certificate, and within a week or so it will be done. The process is very fast and very smooth. I know it's surprising since it's Mumbai University. No offense. But and yeah, so here you will see degree certificate. You need to upload the copy of degree certificate for bachelor's degree, as well as diploma certificate, final or provision. WES also know that you get only one original copy, so you can't send that to them. So it asks you to upload a clear copy of your diploma and degree certificate, which you need to do. So that's it. And it will also have a, when you need to post your courier the transcript of diploma or degree, whatever, there will, on this WES website, there will be mentioned a postal address where you need to send the transcripts, sealed transcripts. If you don't get that address, comment in the comment section. I'll post it of New York and Canada both. And this is the final page where you need to confirm all your information which you have entered, and you will have to select this. You can read the terms and conditions and everything, and then you can select this, and then it will ask you for the payment, and it will ask you for a confirmation that all the information you have entered is correct, and then it will ask you for the payment. This is for ICAP, course by course evaluation, standard delivery $20, because one, it is for yourself, one report will be sent to you, and another report will be sent to Stanford State University, which I selected. And additional copy, if you want, you can add. It is very optional. You can untake it and it won't ask you to pay for another $30. So this is it. This is how it's done. You can pay it, and then you can start uploading your documents, like I said, diploma certificate and degree certificate, and side by side you can start this Mumbai University online process and your diploma. If you have done diploma, then you can start your diploma transcripts as well. So this is it. These are the doubts which I faced. What name to put if the name is different on a degree and diploma certificates. These are the very major doubts which I had to go through, and I did a lot of research, trust me. And so this is how it's done. Once you click submit, it is done. You need to upload the documents. Now your account has been created. Now it's your work of start uploading the documents. So yeah, so you can submit it, pay the payment, and this is done. So thank you guys for watching this video. I know I am not covered Canada portion, but it is the same thing. You have to do all the same process. If you have any doubts, just put a comment in the comment section. I'll definitely address it. And if you have some major issues or major concerns on how to do a Canada process, I'll create a video on that as well. So till then, bye bye, sayonara, ciao. And if you have any doubts, please put comments and like, share and subscribe. I've done a lot of research on this video. I faced and struggled myself a lot, but yeah, so if you have any doubts, I'll do the research for you, and I'll post the answers definitely as soon as possible. So thank you guys.